What time do you want your taxi for?
I won't be needing one, Tar. I was set up, and I think we both know who'll buy.
Set up? No offence, but I think you need to change your supplier. That stuff's really messing with your head.
I'll mess with your head in a minute, and you'll need more than a flaming plaster. She'll do anything to get rid of me.
You're not going to believe this, are you?
Why would Debbie set you up?
Well, don't ask me. She's your sister.
Yes, that's right, I am. And I'm Jack's auntie. And I'm not going to stand by and let you put his safety at risk. What? Well, we don't know when you're cooked up. You could have been high when you were driving him to school. You can't put your love life before your son's well-being, Kev.
Right. That's enough. Go and picking him up.
Is that all you got to say?
I'm gonna be late.
You are way out of line.
Am I? He might not see what you are. But I do.
Hey, come look at this.
Where's that going?
Must be the brewery.
You can't do this!
I can do what I like with my property. Want to borrow a pen, mate?
What's that smarmy devil talking about?
He's trying to bully us into selling the cabin to him.
Well, you listen to me. We've had people like you round here before, and we've seen them off. It'll take a sight more than your Tonka toys to frighten us.
Yeah, that's right. And we do not negotiate with terrorists.
No, we don't. I've stood behind that counter 30 years or more, and I'll be standing behind it when you're long gone and forgotten.
Face the facts, love. That's history. It's over.
Not while there's a breath left in my body. We shall fight you on the cobbles. We shall fight you in the courts. We will fight you wherever we have to. We will never surrender.
Don't look good, this. Don't look good at all.
What's up?
I mean, all he needs to do is knock the brewery down, and then that's pretty much it. The council are not going to want a lot of rubble outside. He knows it.
Never mind, eh?
Hey, I thought you and Roy were putting a stop to all this.
Yeah, well, Roy posted the application for listed status, but I just hope it's not too late.
We need to get over there now before they get on site.
What can we do?
You might be prepared to bulldoze a street, but not even Ray Crosby's going to bulldoze a residence. Come on.